Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video, and I've decided to bump open my S3000. The reason why I did it on the S3000, not the 950 this time, is because I wanted to be able to use it with 3000 discs as well, to see if it can recognise the 3000 discs. Obviously if I put this in the 950, it won't recognise the 3000 discs because it doesn't read them. So it will work the other way around, because this is obviously backwards compatible. So I'm just jumping on it at the moment now. I'm going to string this thing up. I'm going to see what happens. So for those of you who want to see how to install an Hxc emulator, please check out my video here and see how I got to this stage. Guys, good progress. It seems to be working now. I've got the little buzzer working. Look, everything seems to be working. I'm really excited. Look. Okay, so what I did to get this going now was I noticed that on the jumpers there's, I think it's called shoe guard mode or something like that. This one's set up different to the one I had previously. If you look, there's a jumper that is literally 3 pins to the left. 1, 2, 3. And then the 4th pin, I believe, is the buzzer. I think that's the little buzzer that gives the disc its kind of buzzing sound when it loads, which is pretty cool. So if you turn this like that, look what happens, look. So I can go like that. Right, that loads that there. And then it's hard to see my screen now because the lights on, the video lights on, but look, if I do that, I can now go to load. You hear a little cute buzzing noise from over there which simulates the disc. And then let me just get the screen right here, and then you can just see what's on the disc. But there's nothing on that one. But if I move to, like, say here, it shows the disc name. It's like it's running in index mode at the moment. Let's have a look. Right, it's not seeing that one. Let me just go as far as I can go. I know I've got some cool images on here. Right, nothing on that. Let's try 35. I'll probably get my other disc because that's got quite a bit of stuff on it. There you go, look, seeing it. I'm going to load, clear memory and load. Bosh, listen to that. Look, check it. So yeah, mission accomplished on that one, peeps. I'm over the moon about this now. So now I can test my image, I can see what they are called. I'm going to put my other USB stick in there and see what happens now. So I know this is working. Right, cool. So guys, as you can see, it's all working perfectly. I can see all the names of my discs. And the beautiful thing is, all I have to do is literally convert them to Hxc. No more indexing, making disc 1 to 25 or making disc from 1 to 1000. You just simply drop the disc in, which means you've just literally got an 8 gig USB thumb drive, whatever, and you could just put untold discs in my entire collection and more, and other collections. And another beautiful thing of what I found about it as well, if you double press these 2 buttons here, it will take you out to the main root memory, and it even recognizes folders. I'll show you an example that I've got here with the folders. Let me go through. I've even got my index discs here, so I'm just going to literally just reconvert everything, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, I've got my blank floppy stored in this folder. And I could just literally just go to here, look. And the folders just scroll like that. Look, you've got that there. You can go to the root folder, look, Akai, look, flick through sound set. It's just mad, look, Sound Clash. Literally all of my libraries are there. Look, I just have to go like this. Look, blank discs. Got a load of blank discs in there in case I want to save something. It's real cool, man. This is the way forward for me now. with all my Akai needs and stuff. And I just literally, look, I've got a blank disc there. Right, let me just try something. So I'm just going to reboot it with a blank disc in a drive. And then you can see that SCSI error goes now. It will just boot up with the operating system. And as you can see, you can hear a little beeping noise when it loads. There you go, look, all working crisp. Sweet as. So now I've sport myself. I've got another one sitting here. And I'm going to pop it in my Akai S950 as well. So I've got best of both worlds. And save, last but not least, my old one, which I'm going to put into this Akai finally at some stage. Or I might even just put it in one of my Amigas or something once I sort out all the discs and stuff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed you know, that SP into what's been going on with the Hxc. Hopefully I'm going to crack on with just archiving now. I've already done about 200 odd discs and I'm sort of going non-stop. I've got probably 1,000+ discs to get through, but I'm going to get there in the end. It's going to be a fat collection of discs, man, and can't wait to start trawling through it, man, and just pulling out stuff and billing tunage. So hope you enjoyed the video for today. That's it for today's video. Take care, God bless, peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.